One of the things that should be also documented on a video is the grub as boot, refined, just did it, systemd as boot. So super F2 and control find, well, refind probably easier. So this one is exclamation mark and that one is in. So systemd is in. Refined is for EFI, UEFI, and systemd, right? UEFI. And then we save, we push to the internet, say let's do that as a test. So systemd is the only change instead of refined. Then we go back to our machine, our virtual machine. It's ready, it's there, but think about it. Details, SATA, one up, apply, view, console, start, and big screen. And if we go, booting from ArcoLinux, it's a pure Arch, 2 folders. Can't stress that enough. It's the Arch ISO application or package, it's actually a package, and the make Arch ISO is the application or the script. Anyway, I need to go to Xfce4. Latin 1, thank you, and then cd ls development ls. We start to run everything. In the meantime, do you want to get the latest GitHub? Yes, because I've just pushed it to the internet. It comes in. Do you want to remove everything? Yes, again. And then we wait. Just want you to have a video to look at the systemd look. Maybe it's black and white, but it's not nice. I mean, it's just there and it does what it does. Another way of looking at things. Choices, right? Three minutes recording. Try to read, but it's fast, right? All right, yay. And Sublime Text. Then comes Xfce, and then we have the countdown. 4 minutes of installing right now. The countdown. Now I need to have my mouse there. Yes. I need to go to force off, view, details, get rid of this SATA here, apply, and then start up from the console and full screen. Eric, full screen. This is your systemd. Let me pause it. This is your systemd way of booting up. It's strange that the third line is actually the line. I would have put it on the number 1 line. First line. The fallback is there, but you can also go inside the terminal, and that's, I think, could be an advantage as well. This is just going to the firmware, in this case of QEMU. But if you click here, I want to show you that as well. We're here. So a TTY. And you go in there and say, oh my God, what did I do? I'm going to update my system. Xmonad needs to be recompiled. You did something wrong. In ArcoLinux we say go for a scal, which copy pastes the original awesome configuration, original BSB configuration, or Qtile. You messed up the code, right? And that's where the good code is, in the etc scal. Hey, let's have a look. cd etc scal. What's inside this particular thing, right? On a pure arch, this is it in there. The bash RC is beautiful. It's filled up with all kinds of aliases. That's it. Wow, we've got ls. That's starting with a version installation. Nobody made a decision for you. You make your own aliases. Voila, systemd is shown. If you want to see, maybe you want to see Xfce. So systemd, don't do anything, don't press the button, let the countdown, and you've got an ITM that greets you, and you say, hello, I'm Eric, and there you go, you've got your Xfce. So that's the systemd option. Alright, cheers.